Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Fired up and grateful for another day. On this channel, we're going to talk about mindset, personal development, whatever else comes to the table. But today, I want to talk to you about some amazing people that I've met. And it all started through this call that I got from this lady in Branson, Missouri, Pastor Lynn. She called me and asked me to help her because she's writing a speech. Heaven is waiting for you. And I just got so filled with the Holy Spirit, guys. We're reading this book, The Dream Giver. And if you are not or haven't read this book, guys, this is a book that will steer your soul. It will make you on fire. On fire. Like, if you're somebody that has a goal, a dream, a vision, right? If you got a burning desire in your heart, this is going to help you bring it out. And I mean that. When I say that, I've been filled for the last 2 weeks by the Holy Spirit. He has brought people to me. Why? I don't know. But I'm really grateful. The soul pay that I am getting, the knowledge and the wisdom and the power to step out of my comfort zone, to not worry about what people think or what they say, but just know that God has a higher calling for you. I really believe that God is doing exceedingly more abundance than I can ever imagine, and He can do it in your life. If you can just get around people that they're high energy, they're believers, they're positive, right? You know, they look at what's possible. They're not Debbie Downers, right? Surround yourself with products, services, movements, organizations, people that align with your vision, and step out in faith and read this book, The Dream Giver. Guys, I'm going to be sharing it. I'm going to go live and I'm going to share this book because it has my soul on fire. It talks about ordinary that gets used to familiar, that's doing the same thing day after day, that meets everybody, right? And it just shows you how to overcome, right? How to be a champion in life, how to be a go-getter, how to go for what you want. You know, never let anybody stop you from your dreams, right? Because it was born inside you. And my job is just to help you unlock it. So if you want to learn more now about me or what I'm talking about, you know, you can click the link in my bio, but just reach out to me. I'm a real person. I want to know more about you. And what's possible for others, guys, is possible for us if you're willing to do the work. So I love you. I appreciate you. I just had to share this because my soul is on fire. And I'm just so grateful for the ladies I met, for Pastor Lynn, for bringing all these amazing women from around the world for me to mastermind with. Never in a million years did I ever really think that I was going to start reaching people, and it's happening, and I'm just really grateful. So I love you guys. I believe in you because I believe in myself, and just have an awesome night. Thank you. Thank you to every one of you out there that encouraged me, that, you know, I see you run up, you hug me, and I'm just grateful, right? Because it's not me. It's something bigger inside me that comes out. So I don't own any of this stuff, guys. It's just been a gift. So thank you. Have a good night.